Hi everyone and welcome to this video which focuses on teaching you how to use Google Ads keyword planner tool to find keywords. Remember, this tool is free, and if you're a blogger or you are a digital marketing expert, one of the challenges is to find the right tool out there that gives you information on keywords. And when I talk about information, I'm referring to how much, like the search volume, how many people search for that keyword every month, how easy it is to rank for that keyword, and what's the cost per click, especially for those who want to run PPC campaigns. But what I'm teaching you in this video is how to use this platform for free to research keywords, as opposed to resorting to expensive alternatives like Ahrefs, like SEMrush, and many other tools out there that are sold. This tool by Google is actually free. So right here we are in the interface of the Google Ads platform. As you see, you can sign up for Google Ads and follow the steps. There are a lot of videos on how to sign up for Google Ads. And once you are in this interface of Google Ads, you head over to the tools section, click there, then come right down to this menu on planning. Put a drop down menu, click on the drop down menu, and then click on Keyword Planner. Once you're in Keyword Planner, head over to Discover New Keywords and click here. You'll be taken to this section. Pay attention to a few items here. The default language here is French because I have a French background, so when I set up my Google account, it was in French. But change the language to English in this case. Let's just say English is the keyword. You want to search keywords that are in English. Also change the location or the country to something like globally. So when I take it to all locations, I want to see how a keyword is performing in all locations, and it's an English keyword. The next thing you want to do is to type in that keyword and search for other related keywords, the competition, and so on and so forth. In this case, I want to go with the head keyword math games. So let's just assume that I wanted to create blogs or blog posts that are related to math games. I want to see other keywords that I can easily rank for, and I want to see the search volume around that keyword. Once you search, you will notice that a lot has showed up on this table. First thing, if you look at math games as a keyword, it has an average monthly search volume of 100,000 to 1 million people searching. And the competition for that keyword is also low. Notice that when you put a mouse over competition, it drops down and it explains to you what all these metrics mean. So in this case, we're having this keyword having a huge search volume. People are interested in looking for math games every month, and the competition for that keyword is low. What that means is that if you're trying to rank for that keyword on a page, there is a chance that you could rank because the competition for the keyword, there are not a lot of bloggers who have saturated the internet with content in that area. So it's fairly easy to rank for that keyword. You will see below that search other options or other alternative keywords that are related to math games, like Cool Maths, Prodigy Math, Cool Maths, Math for Kids, and so on and so forth. These are also keywords that are related to math games. What you can do is to go into these keywords and find other related keywords you may be interested in ranking for. Remember, you can pull up out this table in and out to view these keywords because some of them are long tail keywords. By long tail keywords, I mean keywords that go beyond 3 words. So associated to this main keyword math games, there are other long tail keywords that you can look at, and also look at their search volumes, like Cool Math Games for Kids. That's a long tail keyword, and most of these keywords are easy to rank for. That's why you see low here. But if you start seeing keywords like math table with medium competition, it means it's slightly harder to rank for those keywords. And if you look at those that have high competition, like this one, Go Math Grade 3, which has between 1,000 to 10,000 searches per month on average, the competition is high. If you want to rank for keywords that have a high competition, you need a lot more effort. So maybe you want to stay away from them if you're a small blogger just trying to rise. So just looking at using this free keyword tool, you can discover a lot of keywords. But it doesn't end there. This section on competition is telling us about SEO keywords. If you want to rank for SEO, then you can focus on these sections, these two columns. But when you start dealing with PPC, you want to see the cost per click on average, then you want to head over to this section. It will also show you what it would take to rank #1 for an ad for that keyword. How much will you pay? Between how much? It gives you a range for the top bid and maybe the low range bid to be placed maybe on the first page, or to be placed at the bottom of the first page or the second page if you did a search campaign. That is more for PPC. So if you want to see the competition for PPC, you can also have valuable information by using this simple free tool that is online. So you are not obliged to always use paid tools online. You can also research using this free option. So this is just for maybe new bloggers who need an alternative free keyword research tool. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.